Hi and welcome. Today we're looking at the COLBOR. This is a video light, a COB video light. It's a CL100X. Works with COLBOR Studio, an application which is available on Apple, Android, and even as an application. I just had to cover that. So on the back, in terms of specifications, you can see color rendering index 97 plus. Color temperature 2700K, so between that and 6500K. Then the illumination, COB output power 100 watts, rated power 120 watts, and you actually get an adapter for that, a USB-C adapter for 120 watts. It's smart and quiet. It's using Type-C. There's no, it's not operating with the battery, but let's have a look inside for more. A quick warning: don't block the COB, turn the product upside down, or touch the heat sink for the high temperature generated by the COB when the product is working, because it will be warm or even hot. Okay, so there you have it. It comes in a nice carrying bag, padded, to protect the COB. You also have a shoulder strap, which should be inside here. It's right there. And yeah, it's very well padded, I have to say. You have instructions. And let's see. So this is the device itself. It's slightly heavy, but you can't even say it's heavy. So it comes with the protector on the COB. If you remove that, it also has a protector for the whatever it's lens or so that will be like that when you first unboxing it. This is a lamp cover, so you will dispose the light in a different way, which I'm going to show you in a bit. It also comes with this. I'll show you what's that. The power supply and another accessory. So I'm going to remove for now the box, the carrying case. It's really nice to have, and it will be very useful. So let's have a quick look around. So obviously we've removed this, remove the protective film before using. I should have, I normally put that in there. So that's just to protecting it while not in use. That's made of hard rubber. This bit, it will allow you to mount it on different things, different supports, different accessories. It will also swivel in different positions thanks to this lever. You see, goes like that, and then you just lock it in position, or you unlock it again the other side or straight. I will leave it straight for now. And then you have this as well to secure that in position, and this one which opens up, and then you secure it on a pole. So let's just see. So you can mount this on each whatever side you want. So it could be also upside down or like this. So I'm gonna put it for now like that. So you just push that in whichever way you want, closer to that. I'll just leave it in the middle, and then you secure it by tightening this up. Cool. So as you can see, while you do this, that goes out and it just keeps it in place. So that's this COLBOR CL100X on this side. You can see it's probably mountable on different kind of accessories, which I don't even know. On the back you have two wheels, which work probably when you push them down or up. Okay, not really sure at this point what are they. And then you have set, rate, EFF, CCT, and that's the power button, and that's the power port, which is USB-C. This one connects on the top in here. So as you can see, you align those two in position like that. It has a little bearing in there. When you push them down, it just goes in position. It will go into this hole like that. So there's no other way than just pushing them down. So position like that. Yeah. And then this one will swivel around. So we'll just connect it like that. Yep. And then you just rotate, push down a bit, and rotate, and you lock it. So that's how it looks like. And you will have this attached to different positions based on your requirements. So now let's have a look at the power supply that comes with. It's a really powerful one. Obviously, you need all the energy to light up that big cob. So let's just open this up. That's a pretty decent, I think it's a 2 meters long cable. Then you have probably another 2 meters of this. I think that's sufficient. This is what it says on here. 120 watts, 24 volts to 5 amps. And it says risk of electric shock. Do not open. You don't want to open this, obviously. So let me just quickly plug it in, and we'll see how it works. So it has a little LED, the power supply, and then you would plug this into that. And you can see it has a little fan inside, because every time you power it on, I think that's the fan in there, just to cool down the light. I could hear that fan running when I've plugged it in. So now let's just have a look quickly in here, see if we can figure out what's with those buttons. As you can see, you can connect them in between each other, so you can have like 6 or maybe even more. That's interesting. You didn't realize that. Okay, so let's see if we can understand this, because I don't have much knowledge. So the CCT mode, if you short press the CCT mode to enter, so that's brightness. So the wheels are for brightness control lever. Press down the wheel to quickly switch to, so it has some default ones as well. Brightness, color temperature, as you go through the wheel. So I guess the top wheel will go through the brightness levels to the preset, and then the one below probably is for the color temperature. If you go into the EFF mode, you do the same, and then you have different light effects as well: chase, pulsing, TV, explosion, faulty bulb. Oh, that's quite cool actually. We want to try that. So I think this is this in the app? So if you short press the settings button, which I guess is set, you enter into a menu, and then you can increase, obviously, the fan. Even has communication. You have to excuse me, guys, but it looks like it has a lot of features, which I might not know exactly how it works. But yeah, let's just quickly have a look and we'll refer to the manual. So I'm gonna turn off that light first, and you have to press, not just press long, and then it starts like that. And that's the light. I'm gonna turn off this light as well because we can see. So let's go to the, so we are in this mode, so it's on 50%. If we go down and we hold it, okay, so it decreases, increases. Nice. So that's the 100%. Let me just see how that looks when I look at my room. Wow, it's fully, if I go to lower, if I go to 100%, that's lighting up my room like it's day outside. So let me just turn this down a bit. And now we leave it at 50. Now with the other one, you can increase or decrease the light temperature. So we can make it be really cold, like this, or back down to warm. I kind of like it on 2700K. If we go to this mode, and let's try and do the first. Okay, so that's still increasing and decreasing the light. Actually, it looks to me that it's increasing and decreasing. What is this? Oh no. So yeah, it's still increasing and decreasing the light. And the other one, it should normally take you through the modes. It says locked. Okay, I've just pressed rate. And this one does the same thing. And that's still increasing. I don't really know how to change this. It says locked. Ah, okay, so you just go through the, that's a broken light mode. You just press EFF. Okay, that's a nice thing to your video. You just put all these effects. That's a bit bad. As bad as thunder, SOS, fire. That's quite cool. So from the distance, you'd think that I have a fireplace in here. That's quite cool. There is a noise inside, so you can hear something. What is this thing? This goes through all the modes, and that's like a light bulb. Slowly increase and then decreasing, increasing and decreasing, and this is not too sure what that mode is called, but yeah, then it goes crazy on this as well. So so you can actually, if you press rate, you see it goes through how fast you want it to be. So I would like it lower, slower. Let's go through other modes as well. So level 1. That's lightning. Sorry, this is a lighting. The other one was something else. Electrical. Okay, I think I got the picture. Let's see how is this fire faster. That's too crazy. Okay, so I think I managed to understand. Let's just press set, and as you can see, Bluetooth BT. So this has Bluetooth built in, so you can reset it. You have so I think you go down with this. So you have fan in smart mode, and how would you change it? Quiet, smart. Okay. Group. I'm not sure what is that new. A, B, C, D, E. Oh, what is this? Null was on, yeah. Not sure what is that. Com RP curved. What is this having? That's just that. Smooth, sharp, smooth, and language. Product info. Shows the version. How do I exit from here? Not too sure. Okay. Yeah, so that's all it is. Now, let's see what else you can do from the app. So I'm gonna come back to this, shut it down for a bit. For now, it didn't get hot at all. So I'm gonna take a phone and see if I can configure the app. Okay, so the app is called COLBOR Studio. You just get that. Yeah, guys, sorry, I spent a bit of time. Like, I just can't figure out how you connect this to that. Bluetooth is on. It has this resetting. You can press to reset, but that doesn't really help. I don't see any. Maybe group A. So it's very difficult to understand, to be honest with you. So you have the demo, and I just don't understand how you add a fixture, you know. So I don't know. There's a way of scanning something, but there's nothing to scan around this. I've tried to scan. There was a barcode in there that didn't work. So I'm pretty clueless, to be honest. I don't know how you do this app. You can change a few things from there, but there's no. This just adds a new scene. In the scene, I can't really pair. I mean, I see the settings from this, but there's nothing in here to add the fixture to, you know, connect it via Bluetooth or something. That's again. And then I've tried also to go inside the Bluetooth, and okay, now let's say this stopped. If I go back to BT, which I think is Bluetooth, the only option you get in there is like this, resetting, and that's it. And while it's resetting, you can't really find anything. So unfortunately, I can't really show you how the app works because I don't know myself. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's a really nice set, especially if you're into filming. It's packed with loads of options, and it's probably very useful when filming, especially with the light effects that you get. And you don't really need the app because you can configure everything from here. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.